Fill missing letters. B for ball. E for elephant. G for grapes. H for hen. K for kite. M for monkey. O for orange. Q for queen. S for swan. U for umbrella. V for van. Y for yak.
To get free worksheets for kids, visit A to Z Worksheet.com.